recording. Hi guys, today me and my friend Noah are going to be talking about some news for the fishing update in Ob. Okay, let's go. So,
Hi.
yeah. So, maybe over by the water map or where the waterfall is, there's going to be some fishing rods that you can use for fishing. And the fish will already be dead when they come up. So they're just dead. So you can automatically feed them to your dino. And also, there's gonna be the Mosasaurus boss and the Mosasaurus dino.
Come down here.
Hold on. There's also gonna be hold up. Let me try to remember. Okay, I think Bullrug is coming back there because they did it in something else.
Bullrug head.
I think they're gonna make the chances higher to get the Spino egg from Octopus. And I know this isn't like water related, but they might do a mixture of Betsy and the wild boar. And I think that's about it. Do you know any more? No?
There's going to be a fishing rod.
I know, that's what I'm talking about. Do you know what else is going to be in the fishing update?
Fish.
Okay, oh yeah, there's going to be new types of fish.
Like sharks.
Oh yeah, I think there is going to be a shark dino.
Yum yum yum. Nom nom nom.
Hold up. I don't remember what's going to be in the shop, but I think it's going to be the Mosasaurus.
Is that a bullrug?
Yeah, it is a Bullrug. Anyways, that's about it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.